In this video, we are diving deep into Poppy AI. Is it the ultimate writing assistant you've been looking for? Or is it another tool that promises a lot but doesn't deliver? We'll uncover everything you need to know. Stick around to find out if Poppy AI can truly change the way you write. So, what exactly is Poppy AI? Imagine having a super smart robot that helps you write better and faster. That's Poppy AI in a nutshell. It's an artificial intelligence tool designed to help with all kinds of writing tasks. Think of it as your personal writing coach. It can help you write essays, blog posts, emails, and even social media updates. But it does more than just write for you. It also checks your work for mistakes like spelling and grammar errors. It even makes sure your writing is original and not copied from somewhere else. It aims to be an all-in-one solution for anyone who needs to write content. So, is it as good as it sounds? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the magic wand of Poppy AI. Its content creation feature. This is where the real power is. You just give it a topic or a few keywords and boom, Poppy AI generates a complete article, essay, or blog post for you. It's like having a professional writer on call 24/7. But wait, does it sound like a robot? Surprisingly, the content it creates is very human-like and engaging. You can choose the tone you want, whether it's formal, friendly, or funny. This is perfect for when you have writer's block and just can't get started. It can create outlines to guide your writing or write entire sections for you. This saves a massive amount of time, especially if you have a tight deadline. You can go from a blank page to a full draft in just minutes. Could this be the end of staring at a blinking cursor forever? It really makes you wonder how we ever wrote without it. Now, for a feature that every student and writer will love, the built-in plagiarism checker. Nothing is scarier than accidentally copying someone else's work. It can get you into a lot of trouble. Poppy AI has a powerful tool that scans your entire document. It compares your text against billions of web pages and online articles. It then gives you a report showing any parts of your writing that might be too similar to other sources. This is a lifesaver. It gives you peace of mind knowing your work is 100% original. But here's the best part. If it finds a potential issue, it doesn't just flag it. It can help you rewrite the sentence to make it unique while keeping the original meaning. This saves you the headache of trying to rephrase things yourself. It's like having a safety net for all your writing. Could this be the tool that guarantees your academic integrity? It's a must-have for honest and original work. Are you trying to get your website or blog noticed on Google? Then you need to listen to this. Poppy AI comes packed with search engine optimization or SEO tools. This is a huge deal for digital marketers and bloggers. Writing great content is one thing, but getting people to find it is another. Poppy AI helps you with that. It analyzes your topic and suggests important keywords to include in your writing. This tells Google what your article is about, helping it rank higher in search results. But it doesn't stop there. It also helps you structure your article in an SEO-friendly way. It suggests a good title, headings, and meta descriptions. It even checks the readability of your text to make sure it's easy for audience to understand. It's like having an SEO expert guiding you every step of the way. Could this be the secret to getting the first page in Google? This feature alone could be a game changer for your online presence. Do you often work on writing projects with a team? Then you know how messy it can get. Sending files back and forth through email, tracking changes, and managing feedback can be a nightmare. Poppy AI solves this with its excellent collaboration features. It works like a shared online document. You can invite your team members to work on the same project in real time. Everyone can see the changes as they happen. You can leave comments, suggest edits, and assign tasks to different people. It keeps everything organized in one place, so no more confusion about which version is the latest one. This is perfect for marketing teams, student group projects, or publishing houses. It makes teamwork smooth and efficient. Think about how much time you could save. Could this be the end of confusing email chains? It really streamlines the entire process from start to finish. Now, no tool is perfect, and Poppy AI has a weak spot. What is the biggest problem? It's the over reliance on the AI. While the AI generates great content, it can sometimes lack a personal touch or deep expertise on very specific topics. If you're writing about a highly technical subject, the AI might not get all the details right. You still need a human expert to review and edit the content to ensure accuracy. Also, if everyone starts using the same AI tool, there's a risk that a lot of online content might start to sound the same. It can't fully replace human creativity and unique perspective. So, you can't just click a button and expect a perfect, publish ready masterpiece every time. Alright, let's talk about the cost. How much will Poppy AI set you back? They have few interesting options available. The standard plan for Poppy AI is $399 for a whole year. If you want extra help, you can get the VIP support plan for $797 per year. But here is a really cool offer. They have a lifetime deal for one-time payment of $997. You pay once and you can use it forever. There's also a special $199 coaching call to help you make viral content. A timer on their site says the price might go up, so you might want to act fast. So that's our take on Poppy AI. It's a powerful tool with amazing features that can save you a ton of time and improve your writing. While it's not perfect, its benefits are hard to ignore. Is it right for you? I hope this review helped you decide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. You ready to give Poppy AI a try? I've put a special link in the description below. Using that link gives you the best possible deal, and it also helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. So, if you're ready to supercharge your writing, go ahead and click that link. Thank you for your support, and I'll be seeing you next time.